Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MUon token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, MUon is a blockchain based token that represents ownership in Micron Technology Stock, providing global investor with on-chain exposure to the traditional equities, price and dividends through Ondo finance regulated platform. Tokenized equity. It is a digital assets packed 1:1 to Micron Technology Stock morning. Its economic performance, global access praise. It enables non-US investor to access US equities 24/5 with instant minting and redemption via Ondo's infrastructure. DeFi integration. As a tokenized real-world assets (RWA), it can be used within decentralized finance for activities like collateralized lending. MUon project institution rating is 3.7. MUon token total supply is around 107,000 and circulating supply is also 107,000. MUon token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.